Most traders do not fail because they lack strategy. They fail because they cannot wait. Not for the setup. Not for confirmation. Not for price. And definitely not for reward. The market offers temptation every minute. A candle moves. A breakout forms. Volume spikes. And suddenly your brain starts screaming. Take it now. But that voice is not intuition. It is conditioning. A nervous system addicted to immediate reward. You tell yourself you'll be disciplined today. Then price moves without you. And something happens. A tiny emotional fracture. Fear of missing out. Urgency. Scarcity. The primitive brain interprets delay as danger. If you do not act now, you might lose opportunity. So you click. Again. 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 Not because the setup is valid, but because your brain wants relief. Instant relief. Your brain is built to chase short-term reward. Every impulsive trade reinforces the same loop. Impulse. Action. Dopamine. Temporary relief. Repeat. Over time, this becomes identity. Not just behavior. Identity. You are no longer a trader. You become someone who cannot tolerate waiting. Someone who must act. Someone controlled by stimulation. And the market punishes that identity without mercy. Discipline is not forced suppression. That never lasts. Real discipline is trained nervous system tolerance. The ability to feel desire and not obey it. To feel urgency and remain still. To experience emotional discomfort without escaping through execution. This is delayed gratification training. The discipline technique that rewires traders. Here is the technique. When you feel the urge to enter early, you deliberately delay action. Not forever. Just long enough to interrupt the impulse loop. 30 seconds. 1 minute. 2 minutes. You wait. Not because you are uncertain, but because you are training identity. You are teaching the brain, I do not obey urgency. The discomfort will arrive immediately. Restlessness. Anxiety. Thoughts like, what if this is the move? What if I miss it? Enter now. Good. That discomfort is the training. That is the gym. That is where discipline is built. Not when waiting feels easy, but when waiting feels painful. Before market open, train delayed gratification intentionally. Choose one small act of restraint. Wait 5 extra minutes before checking charts. Do not touch your phone. Do not open trading platform immediately. Build micro delays. Tiny moments where desire appears and you choose delay. This strengthens impulse control before market exposure. During trading, use the rule. No immediate execution. When your setup appears, you must wait for one additional confirmation. One candle. One structure shift. One liquidity reaction. This delay filters impulse from process. If the trade is still valid after waiting, you may act. If not, you were never trading your edge. You were trading emotion. After trading, review every urge. Not just trades. Urges. Where did impatience appear? Where did you want relief? Where did you act too early? Track impulses like data. Patterns reveal identity. And identity can be reprogrammed. Now you will experience the technique directly. Sit still. Relax your shoulders. Unclench your jaw. Take one slow breath in. And slowly release. Again. Breathe in. Hold. Release. Bring to mind your last impulsive trade. See it clearly. The setup. The urgency. The emotional pull. The need to click. Feel it. Do not run from it. Stay there. Observe the sensation. Not the story. Not the market. Just the urge. Now imagine something different. You feel the urge, but your hand remains still. You do not react. You wait. You breathe. You observe. The urge rises, then falls, without your obedience. Feel that power, that separation. You are not your impulse. You are the observer of it. Repeat internally, I can wait. I do not need immediate reward. I do not chase emotional relief. I follow process. I delay gratification. And because I can wait, I can win. Pause the video for a moment, stay here. Play the video again when you're ready. A disciplined trader is not rewarded for taking every opportunity. They are rewarded for surviving enough opportunities. Sometimes waiting means missing trades. Good. Let weaker opportunities go. Your job is not constant action. Your job is selective execution. Patience protects capital. Patience protects psychology. Patience protects identity. This technique looks small. Almost too simple. Delay a click. Wait 1 minute. Breathe. Observe. But repeated daily, it changes everything. Thoughts become calmer. Neural patterns become cleaner. Habits become sharper. Identity becomes stronger. And eventually results follow. Not from manifestation magic, but from subconscious conditioning. Thoughts, patterns, habits, identity, execution, outcome. The market is not testing your strategy. It is testing your nervous system. And every time you delay gratification, you pass. Not because you made money, but because you become someone stronger, someone harder to break, someone who can wait. And in trading, the one who can wait usually wins. If this video added value in your life, hit that like and subscribe button and share it with your friends.